Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The art of the rustic garden, a French country inspiration. The French country garden is not merely a planted space. It is a living canvas where nature and artistry blend in harmonious disarray. This style captures a timeless, rustic elegance that feels both cultivated and wonderfully wild, as if it has grown gracefully over generations. It's an aesthetic that values charm and character over rigid perfection, inviting a sense of peaceful solitude and simple joy. Mastering this art form involves a thoughtful approach to layout, materials, and planting. By looking to the farmhouses and villas of the French countryside, we can uncover the secrets to creating our own enchanting retreat. Let us explore the key principles that make this garden style so irresistibly inspiring. The foundation of this garden art is a layout that feels organic and gently guided, rather than strictly controlled. Instead of straight lines and sharp corners, embrace soft, curving pathways that invite leisurely exploration. These walkways, made from gravel, stepping stones, or even worn brick, should feel like a natural part of the landscape. Use low, clipped boxwood hedges or rustic, low stone walls to create intimate outdoor rooms without imposing harsh boundaries. This approach ensures the garden unfolds gradually, revealing hidden benches or fragrant flower beds around each bend. The ultimate goal is to create a journey that feels both intentional and delightfully spontaneous. True rustic artistry relies on materials that tell a story of sun, rain, and the passage of time. Seek out furnishings and structures crafted from wrought iron, distressed wood, and natural stone, all of which develop a beautiful patina with age. A classic, slightly rusted bistro set or a weathered wooden bench becomes a focal point for rest and contemplation. Plant in terracotta pots of various sizes, especially those with a soft, chalky or moss-covered finish, to add authentic texture. Repurpose old items like stone troughs or clay jars as unique planters or decorative accents. These elements work in concert to build a deep sense of history and grounded charm. The planting scheme is where the garden truly comes to life as a masterpiece of texture, color, and fragrance. Stick to a soft, romantic color palette dominated by lavender, silvery greens, creamy whites, and blushing pinks to create a serene atmosphere. Lavender is indispensable, offering structure, iconic hue, and a quintessential scent that defines the style. Intermingle billowing perennials like roses, catmint, and sage with exuberant annuals such as poppies and love in a mist for a layered, abundant look. Allow plants to spill over onto paths and mingle freely with their neighbors, avoiding any stiff, formal arrangements. This creates a tapestry that is not only visually stunning, but also alive with the buzz of pollinators and intoxicating aromas.